Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you record phone calls on iPhone or other iOS device. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad and want to record your phone calls, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings here, scroll it down, click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to go back, click on general, click on software update. So guys, from here you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and after this you need to go back, scroll it down. Here is the option that is accessibility, and guys, you can see that here is no any option to record your phone calls on iPhone. So guys, simply you have to download any third-party app. So guys, how can you do this? You have to open your app store here, and guys, you will see multiple fake apps of call recorder, but I will tell you authentic app means 100% real app for your iPhone. So guys, here you need to search call recorder for iPhone. So guys, when you have searched this, you will see the first one app that is called Recorder for iPhone, and you have to download this app. So guys, when you have open this app, then guys you will see this type of interface, but you can see this is a paid app. So guys, simply firstly you have to check for 3 days for free, and if it is interesting for you, then guys you can purchase it for a year. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.